Today we are taking a walk at the ancient ancestral place of the Cowichan people, here in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. The African Storyteller has been living here in the Cowichan Valley and having just returned from Zimbabwe, Africa. He is going to be sharing a story for you, the first of the Tsuro Series. Come take a listen.
Once upon a time, in a land so far, far away, the animals lived so happily and rejoicing each and every day. There was enough to eat in the kingdom, from the lions, the elephants, the zebras, we talk of the buffaloes, and in the rivers, the hippopotamus, and the crocodiles, and all those things. But as time progressed, animals realized that there was not enough water. It wasn't raining as it used to. The rivers began to get dry, and the vegetation, the grass was dry, and this continued. And the animals saw that they were starting to perish. So a meeting was called. The king of the jungle, the lion, as you know, the lion, and messengers were sent all around, and there was a big in this, like here, it was filled with representatives from different animals. You can imagine all these animals coming and trying to solve a problem that had befallen the kingdom. So different ideas were tossed into the pot, and after cooking and cooking, they decided that they were going to dig a water well. That was gonna be a big water well. So it was decided that all the animals would come together and do this work. And boom, from Norway, Tsuro, where we are calling it the Tsuro Series, Tsuro stands up and says, no, I'm not doing this. I have no time. I have to go and enjoy and lie down in the valley and just enjoy the chirping birds. All the animals were flabbergasted and say, well, if you're not going to contribute, then you're not going to drink the water. And Tsuro said, guess what? I don't drink water. I only drink honey. See, so all the animals were, nobody could do anything. So Tsuro went and the animals started working. And this is the end of part 1, ladies and gentlemen.
See you later.